I'm Kali. I am a fifth-year MD-PhD student at Geisel, and I'm currently working in Armenia Kettenbach's lab studying protein signaling and biochemistry. So I really got interested in woodworking in college when I started beekeeping, and I visited this guy named Randy's house, and he was kind of my beekeeping mentor, and he built all of his hives from scratch, and I just thought that that was phenomenal. And so I was like, wow, that's so cool that you can transfer something from a board to a beehive. And I didn't really think it was anything that I would be able to do, but then on Dartmouth orientation, I was walking through the hop and saw the woodworking studio, and that was the first time that I thought, wow, this is something I could actually learn. The learning process of woodworking has been slow, but it has taught me so much about the process. I am an enthusiastic beginner, and I think that that's something that I want everybody to know, is that if something like a fine art feels like it's unreachable, like, you can learn it. Just takes a lot of time. And woodworking is just one of those things where you need to learn so many things about the different types of wood and the tools and the measurements. I get to see it happen right in front of my eyes. It's definitely a beautiful thing of immediate gratification that is very limited in medical school and graduate school specifically. I love being able to show up and learn something new and have that beginner's mind and feel like I am actually really learning something because I can see it happening as my hands are actually like doing it. I also just feel so capable when I leave the wood shop, even if I had to ask so many questions. Yeah, that's the coolest part.